my friends, welcome to my channel.
Hello my friends, welcome. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Here we have the limited edition Beat Studio 3 in midnight black with gold. And here we have the normal edition Beat Studio 3 in matte black. First, let's start with this one. Here's the bin of beats. Let's see what comes in the box. Change the way you hear the sound. Here comes the beats. Instructions. Charging cable. If you don't want to use the headphones wirelessly, a little keychain for your beats. Now, let's see these limited edition beats. Now, let's go with the next beats, the matte black. Same packaging as the other ones. Here are the beats, same accessories, and both of these beats has beats stickers. Let's see what comes in this case. Here are the matte black ones. I can put them on. And one thing about these beats has active noise cancelling. Bye my friends, in the next YouTube video.